Right. Now these actually are all males, but they're all very different looking, and you can really see the naked neck, can't you? Yeah, they've got strong feet, strong legs. They're good foraging birds.
Good jumpers.
Yeah. And supposedly very tasty meat. And a thin, very crispy skin when you roast them.
Do you have some different ages together in here?
No, they're all within 1 week of hatching.
Okay, so some are just smaller.
Yeah. So these are our chicken tractors. The white, the silver bucket is water that we top up every day. And they move them every day, and they'll get moved down the farm, down these fields. This is alfalfa, and they'll move to the end of the field. And by the time they get to the end of the field, they'll be ready for slaughter. There's a reflective installation between two tarps in there to keep them cool in the heat of the day.